Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my third lesson of D2 chapter number 17, exercise 17b, that is about the statistical averages, median and mode. In this class, students will be discussing about what is the mode and how to find the mode for ungrouped data. Recall my previous lesson that mode is the number that occurs most frequently, the thing which is in fashion. So we have to see in the given data that which number is coming most repeatedly. So let's move to question number 3, and question number 3 says that for each of the following sets of data, state the mode of the distribution. Okay, so first data which is given to us is having the entries 2, 5, 8, 3, then 7, 5, 3, 9, 7 and 3. Okay, now what we have to see that which number is coming maximum number of time, or which number is repeating mostly. Okay, if we look at 2, we do not have any 2. If we look at 3 is coming one time here, 3 second time, and 3 is third time. So one chance of the mode is that it can be 3, but don't make the decision in the beginning. Check all the numbers. Okay, then the next number is 5. 3 is coming 3 times, and 5 how many times? 5 2 times, 5 2 times, and then check 7 is coming again 2 times, 7 2 times, and 9 is coming once only. So 3 is the number which is repeating maximum number of times here. So the mode for this question is 3. I hope really easy question, and everyone can secure 1 mark out of this question easily. Moving to the second part has the entries 8.1, 7.7, 7.8, 9.3, 6.4, 7.7, 9.3 and 8.7. Okay, let's see which number is repeating maximum number of time. 6.4 is coming once only, and then so I'm not focusing on 6.4, and then after that we can see that 7.7 one time is here, and 7.7 is the second time coming here. 7.7 it's coming 2 times, and then 8.1 is coming once only. 7.7 is done. 7.8 is coming once only. Then we have the number 9.3. 9.3 is coming at this place, and then 9.3 is coming 2 times. So 9.3 and 7.7 are the two numbers which are coming and repeating in the data same number of times. So there are two modes for this question. One is 7.7, 7.7, and the other one is 9.3. So 7.7 and 9.3 are the two modes for this situation. The data can have one mode. Let me use some other pen so that my students can see this clearly. Okay, let me make it little dark. 7.7 and 9.3 are the two numbers which are the modes here. Data can have one mode, data can have two modes, or 3 modes, or many modes, or no mode. If the data has one mode, then it's called the unimodal distribution, and if the data has 2 modes, it will be called bimodal, and if the data has 3 modes, it is called trimodal distribution, and many model distribution, or no modes. I hope really easy questions, and you can easily secure marks over here. And let's move to the next question. Coming to question number 4, and question 4 says for each of the following state the modes of the distribution. The question is about the graph. So what we have to do is that I'm keeping my book under the camera. Okay, now try to understand. The graph is given about different colors: black, gray, white, red and blue, and then the frequencies are given, number of cars are given which has the colors black, gray, white, red and blue. If we look at black color, there are 4 cars in hundreds. Okay, so 400 cars which are having black colors. For gray, this is 2. Okay, for white it is 4, and for red I hope the red is the most favorite color in cars for the public, because it is having the highest rectangle in front of that, and blue is having 1. So which color will be the mode here? Red will be the mode. I hope you are clear about the discussion of this question, and let me record my answer that red is the mode for this question. For A part, red is the mode. Now moving to the next part, that is D part. Okay, now what we have to do is that we again have to keep the book under the camera, and we have to see for D part. Okay, I hope the book is fine here. Okay, now look again, the information is given about the histogram, and we can see that for 15 the frequency is 3, for 20 and 25 the frequency is 1. Okay, and for 30 the frequency is 5, and then for 35 the frequency is 4. So what we have to do is that we have to see that which number has the largest frequency, because mode for the group data is the value of x that has the largest frequency in front of that, and the largest frequency is 5, that is for 30. So mode for D part is, mode will be 30. Okay, that is 30. And now moving to E part, you can see the data is given in tabulated form. If the values of x are 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, and each number is coming once only. As we know that mode for the group data is the value of x that has the largest frequency in front of that. But in this question, in this situation, there is no number which has the frequency other than 1. All the numbers are occurring coming once only, so in this case there will be no mode. So for E part, no mode, no mode. I hope you are clear about this situation, and let's move to the next question. And let me read question number 5 from the book first and compare the data, and then we'll be focusing on how to solve this question. Question 5 says, the temperature taken at midnight of 6 consecutive nights in the Singapore are recorded, and the temperatures are 22 degrees centigrade, 27 degrees centigrade, 26, 28, 27 and 23 degrees centigrades. The first part says state the model temperature, and then in the next part the question says the temperature taken at the midnight of the 7th day in the Singapore is 22 degrees centigrade. If 22 degrees centigrade is added to the above data, what will be the new model temperature? Okay, we'll be talking about the second part later. First of all, we have to state the model temperature in the first part. Recall, student, that for ungrouped data, what is the mode? Mode is the number that comes, that repeats most frequently. Now see, the 22 is coming once only, and then the next number 23. Okay, let me see, 23 is coming once only, and then 27 is coming twice. So let me write some information here so that I can recheck my answer. Then 28 is coming once, and 26 is coming once. So 27 degree is the model temperature. I hope you are really clear about this. 27 degrees centigrade is the model temperature. Now let's move to the second part. The other part says the temperature taken at midnight of the 7th day in the Singapore is 22 degrees centigrade. Now the question says, if we are adding this 22 degrees centigrade as well in the above data, so what will be the new model temperature? Now see that in the previous part 27 was coming twice and 22 was coming once only, but one more 22 is added over here. So 22 will also be coming twice. So now this data will not have one mode, it will have two modes. So the new modes will be, the new model temperatures will be 22 degrees centigrade and 27 degrees centigrade, and this distribution will be called bimodal distribution. Data can have one mode, data can have two modes, three modes, or no mode. Moving to question number 8. Question 8 says the median of 8 numbers is 4.5. Median 8 numbers is 4.5. Given that the 7 numbers are 9, 2, 3, 4, 12, 13 and 1. Find the 8th number. Okay, student, here the important thing is that the question is about the median of how many numbers? 8 numbers. If the number is 8, it means that data is even, and for the median we know that we have to put the data in ascending order. 7 of the numbers are given, we have to find out 8th number. Now let's talk about that what is the possibility of that 8th number. And for median it's really important that we have to keep the data in ascending order. So one of the situation can be that x can be the unknown 8th number. Let the 8th number be x. The 8th number equals to x. 8th number equals to x. Now either x can be at in the beginning x1 2 x1 2 3, then 4, then 9 and then 12 and 13. Let me check whether I have written 8 numbers or not. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, one situation is x can be at this place, or what can happen? X can be at the end. 1 2 3 4 9 12 13 and x. Let's first talk about these two situations and then I'll be discussing the third situation. Now see, if the median is 4.5, we know that for even data, median is the average of middlemost two values. If we are taking x in the beginning, so let's see whether when we are setting the numbers in this way, are we getting the average of middlemost two values? We are getting two middlemost values, 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Now what I have to do is that 3 plus 4 by 2, 3 plus 4 by 2, which is equal to 7 by 2, which is equal to 3.5, which is not equal to 4.5. And moving to the second situation, if the unknown letter is at the end, then again we have to cancel the numbers from both extremes, and I'm having two middlemost values with me, which is 4 and 9. Then 4 plus 9 by 2 equals to 13 by 2, which is equal to 6.5, but the given median is 4.5, students. So this is not equal to 4.5. So x, 8th number or the unknown number, cannot be either in the beginning or at the end. So these two situations are discarded. Now what can happen if we are testing x, keeping x at 4th place or the 5th place? 1 2 3 x and 4, 1 2 3 x 4 9, 12 and 13, or the situation can be 1, 2, 3, 4, x, 9, 12 and 13. Now let's see. Now when we are keeping x at this place, we can see that 1 goes with 1, 2 with 12, 3 with 9, and we are left with two middlemost values over here. Or again 1 goes with this, 1 goes with this, 3 with 9 and 4 plus x. We are having two middlemost values. So what we can do is that x plus 4 by 2 equals to what is the median given in the question, which is 4.5, or 4.5 can be 9 by 2. Okay, 2 goes with 2 and I will left with x plus 4 equals to 9, or x equals to 9 minus 4, x equals to 5. Or what we can do is that over here 4 plus x by 2 again equals to the median, which is 4.5 or 9 by 2. 2 goes with 2 and 4 plus x equals to 9, x equals to 9 minus 4, x equals to 5. So the unknown number or the eighth number will be 5. Okay, now look carefully. If I'm taking x at the fourth position, then my ordering will not be correct. If I'm taking x at the fourth position, my ordering will not be correct because 5 is coming before 4. And if I'm looking at this position, here x is coming 5 and 5 is coming after 4. So this will be the correct position. So x will be the fifth number. So this will be the rejected answer. And this will be the accepted answer. I hope you are clear about today's class. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.